All right, so like I told you, you should watch the video to help you complete this quiz correctly. So we're going to select the answer that corresponds to the displayed problem, and we are going to combine like terms. So I'm going to rearrange this so that it makes sense. See, I just moved, I kept the sign with it. The answer is 8x, so I check this box. Again, I'm going to rearrange this one as well. I'm going to put the like terms together, which is the x's. So negative 4x plus negative 3x plus 3. I can combine these two. This becomes negative 7x plus 3. That answer is right here. Number 3, when I rewrite this, I will make sure to arrange it so that all of the like terms are together. So this is a plus. I know that looks terrible. You should be able to see it, but just in case. I'm going to arrange these two together. So negative 10x plus 8 x plus 4 minus 3. So this goes with this, and I moved them. This is going to be the problem, so let's deal with this. I can do 4 minus 3, that becomes 1, and it'll be positive 1. But when I'm doing this problem, I have negative 10, and it goes 8 spaces plus goes that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be negative 9, negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2. So that is one way to solve it. So negative 2x. And they wrote it a different way. So they wrote 1 minus 2x, which is a little bit complicated. And again, this is why we're doing this together and checking our answers versus trying to do it independently. I'm going to rewrite this one as well. 8y plus 5 plus negative y plus negative 3. So I'm going to put this one and this one together. 8y plus negative y. I'm going to put this one and this one together, plus 5. That's a plus negative 3. So 8y minus y becomes 7y. This is 5, and negative 3 becomes positive 2. Answer is there. This one, I have to solve all of these. Well, that's not, we know that it's not this. That's not the same thing. But I don't know about the others. So let's try to see if we can find one that makes the combination of negative 12. So I'm going to put this number and this number together. So 45 minus negative 21. Well, if I'm minusing a negative, that becomes positive. So 45 plus 21 does not equal 12. So that one's not possible. This, I'm going to look at the 5. I'm going to look at the negative 3. So 5 plus negative 3. Well, 5 plus negative 3 just means 5 minus 3, which is 2. So that one shouldn't be it. Well, let's just double check. We have a negative 5 minus 7 more. So if I'm not sure, this is my negative 5. Subtraction means going that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12. So this one will match. Try number 6. I am going to try to find Let's look for the x's this time. So if I take this x and combine it with this x and combine it with this x, I will get 13x minus negative 2x minus 7. I have two negatives next to each other that turns into plus. 13x plus 2x minus 7x. This becomes 15x minus 7. X equals 8x. We got lucky. So A is the answer, but let's check just to make sure. So this is 8y. Well, it's a y, so it's not right. This is a y, so it's not right. This is an x. So 3x minus 5x. Well, I can see this is the bigger number. So this would be 5 minus 2, which is 3. No, wait. Forgive me. 5 minus 3, which is 2. And then since the 5 is further from 0, negative 2x. So this is the wrong answer. Do the same thing here. This has an x and a y, but it doesn't have any other friends. So no like terms. So we need to find one that has x and y. This doesn't have no y. So this one isn't it. This one doesn't have x or y. So this one isn't it. This one has no x. So this one isn't it. So by using good test-taking strategies, we can figure it out. Well, this is an A. Well, this is an X, so that's not it. This is an X. No A. Makes that one easy. All right, so test-taking strategies. If you don't know the answer.